The action in this film, I mean, I'm probably biased, but I think there's some of the best that we've had in the MCU. When you read it on the page, you're like, chase through Budapest, like, that seems cool. And then you get, you know, right before you're shooting it, you're like, how are we gonna be on the street? It's gonna be crazy. How are we gonna shoot this?
It's so aggressive. It excels and moves the entire storyline into the main part of the film, and it's just one car chase.
Okay, you got a plan, or shall I just stay duck and cover?
My plan was to drive us away.
And that's cool.
We have an incredible stunt team, and then a lot of it is also practical. It was a lot. It's a big, big process.
It was so exciting to do, and all the stunt people were just so happy and excited that we wanted to be a part of it. They are incredible athletes themselves, and it's been a total joy being able to see what they're willing to do for a shot as well.
What? What?
I'm so happy with how it all came out. It was something I'd never experienced before.
It's unfinished business.